In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preserve WhatsApp View Once media before it disappears. WhatsApp's View Once feature is designed for privacy. Once you open a photo or video that was sent in this format and then close it, the app prevents you from viewing it again. On top of that, WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption and additional security measures that usually block screenshots and screen recordings of this content on many devices. Because of that, there is no standard in-app way to save or reopen View Once media after it has been closed. If you want to capture that media before opening it, the practical option is to use a second camera device. This means using another phone, tablet, or camera to record your screen from the outside. Before you begin, make sure your screen brightness is high enough and your device is steady, so the image is easier to see in the recording. It also helps to reduce glare and position the second device directly in front of the screen for the clearest result. Once everything is set up, start recording with the second device first. After that, go back to WhatsApp and tap the View Once photo or video to open it. Since the content can only be viewed one time, it's important to be ready before you tap. Let the second device continue recording while the media is displayed on your screen. This way, you create an external recording of what appears, without relying on screenshot or screen recording features that may be blocked by WhatsApp. If the media has already been opened and closed, there is generally no direct way to view it again inside WhatsApp. In that case, the only alternative mentioned here is to check your device's overall system backup. This may help if you are trying to restore messages that were backed up before the View Once item was viewed. Keep in mind that backups do not always include every piece of media in the same way, and availability can depend on your device settings and when the backup was created. The key thing to remember is that timing matters. If you need to preserve View Once media, you have to act before opening it, and using a second camera device is the method described here. If it's already gone, your next option is simply to review any existing system backups and see whether restoration is possible. That's the process from start to finish, explained as clearly and simply as possible.